Kitty Meow Meow City Heroes. Oh no! The city is being destroyed by a huge storm. These poor animals need your help. Choose your hero. Firefighter. Let's rescue these animals. Put out the fire. Good job! The bunny is safe! Can you find hidden animals? Put out the fire! Three, two, one, go! Good job! Safe and sound.
Hello!
Good job!
Super!
Hi! Choose your hero. Engineer, rescue these animals. Pull them out of the water. Good job! Safe and sound. Oh no! The dam is broken! You need to fix the dam. Pour down the concrete. Now fix the road. Assemble the drain pipe. And drain the water. Nice work! The dam is fixed. What's that? Open it. Oh no! Fix the wires. Turn all the switches on. Pull it.
Hello!
Good job!
Super!
Choose your hero. Police officer, going on here? Can you fence them in? Find the criminals. Let's clean the street. Someone needs your help. Oh no! Can you help her? 3, 2, 1, go! Put on the handcuffs. Click on it. Aw. Yay! Good job. What's that? First, draw the police line. Can you find the clues? What's that? Can you identify the suspects? Let's put them in the truck. Who is the thief? Who is the thief? Who is the thief? You found him! Click on it. Now lock him up. Yay! Good job! Very nice! You did a great job! Choose your hero. Medic. These poor animals need your help. Set up the tent. Now pull up the tent base. Open the door. And prepare the table. Good job! Medical tent is ready. Let's help them. Sort the medical supplies. Can you help them? Yeah! Woohoo! Oh! Yoo-hoo! Yeah! Let's help them. Can you help them? Oh no! Wow!
Hello.
Good job! You have saved the day!
Super.
Put out the fire! Bring the kitten down! Good job! Safe and sound! Choose your hero! Firefighter! Hi! Put out the fire! Someone needs your help! Very nice! You did a great... Hi! First use the wrench and turn. Good job! Hi! Put out the fire! Someone needs your help! Very nice! You did a Hi! Choose your hero. Medic. He's hurt. Can you help him? Good job! These poor animals need your help. Oh no! Well done! Choose your hero. Engineer. Put out the fire. Well done! It's broken. Clean it. Take out the light bulbs. Now put in the new ones. Oh no! Fix the wires. Click on it. Turn all the switches on. Yay! Fantastic! You are the best! Choose your hero. Police officer. Oh no! Very nice! Put out the fire! Well done! Choose your hero. Kitty Meow Meow City Heroes.